Hey guys, Carl here with Adventures of Carlienne, and I hope you guys are staying safe and positive during this shelter in place. I know it's been hard trying to find certain ingredients at the market, and I was quite surprised when I visited my local Asian market and found taro leaves in stock. And normally when I want to find them, they're never there, but for some reason they're there this time. And you know, taro leaves are actually really tasty. They're kind of like spinach. Filipinos use it in a dish called laing. I know there's an Indian dish that I can't think of it, but I'll put it somewhere on the screen that uses taro leaves as well. And if there's anything you take away from this intro other than to subscribe and hit the bell notification and share this with your peoples, I want you to take away that taro leaves are poisonous. Taro leaves are poisonous. Okay, I said it twice. Taro leaves are poisonous, thrice times now. You want to make sure you cook them thoroughly, okay? You don't want to eat it and start getting a pretty itchy throat. It's just not a good eating experience. So again, taro leaves are poisonous unless you cook them extremely well, okay? So they are like spinach, like how you cook down spinach. You can eat it like that. So yes. Okay, taro leaves are poisonous. I also just want to give a little shout out to my friend Boo Boo for helping me out on this and reminding me how to make this dish. Thank you, Boo Boo, for reminding me. Yeah, so let's just get into this dish. If you like the stuff that's been coming out, please give us a subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when things come out. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so to make pork lau lau, all you're gonna need is some pork butts, Hawaiian salt, taro leaves, and if you can also find it, some tea leaves. Now the first thing we're gonna do is preheat our oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're gonna take 2 pounds of pork butts and season it with Hawaiian salt. And it's okay if you don't have Hawaiian salt, you can use kosher salt just fine. Just make sure to season it very well. Now with your baking pan, go ahead and line some of the taro leaves right on the bottom just so it has a nice little bed. So we bought about 1.5 pounds of taro leaves, so around that to 2 pounds would be just perfect for this recipe. So there's a couple ways to do this dish. You can either put all the pork butts right on top of that taro leaf bed and then top it off with more of the taro leaf and get it tucked in, or you can do it like this and grab a handful of pork and then wrap it in the leaf like you're making a present. And if you were able to find some tea leaves, you can go ahead and put this little pouch into one of the big leaves and then go ahead and wrap that. FYI, tea leaves are inedible, so please do not eat them. They're just a great tool for steaming and for presentation. Now when you're done filling up your dish, you're gonna go ahead and wrap this in foil, trying to get it as nice and tight as you can. And when I'm not lazy, I'll usually also wrap plastic wrap first underneath that foil layer just to trap more of the steam in there. Now at the 3-hour mark, you want to go ahead and take them out and check the doneness of your meat. I opted to wrap it again and throw it back in the oven for another hour or so just because I want that pork to be really soft. Total time in the oven is about 4.5 hours. Now while that's resting, you're going to go ahead and set up your plate, your 2 scoops of rice, your mac salad, and then you're going to plop that nice juicy pork lau lau right on the plate, give it a little sprinkle of furikake, and enjoy this meal. The next time you make this dish, I challenge you to give it your own little flair. Use chicken, use fish, different seasonings, and let us know how it goes. But until then, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.